need to grow out of the box. You cannot entangle my Christian brothers, my Christian sisters, my friends, my peers with religiosity, because their freedom can never be taken away from them. Why? Because we are learned, we are wise. I mean, you come to us, you are really dealing with people that have advancements of mysteries and secrets and advanced knowledge and advanced wisdom. When you come against us, you are coming with people that they are carrying advancement with ancient wisdom, with ancient knowledge. And so that small psychological brutality, those small psychological hypocrisy, it cannot work with us.